Hello everyone, welcome to Midweek Market Outlook. My name is Rohit Singre, and let's look at what happened in the Nifty and Nifty Bank in yesterday's session. Both the indices managed to close the day on negative note. We have seen good profit booking from higher end, or we can say from good resistance zone. We have been witnessed a good profit booking, and I have been cautious on Nifty specifically in last week also. If you'll see my last week video, I was very cautious that 10,900 11,000 will be a stiff resistance on the higher side, and one should look for profit booking rather than creating fresh longs on every breakout. So the view was corrected, and we are trading at somewhere around 10,607 in yesterday close. Both the indices, Nifty Bank, Nifty managed to close a day with gains of with loss of nearly 2%, and Nifty Bank was little bit more underperforming, and it managed to close a day at 21,392 with loss of more than 3%. So I think before going ahead, I think I would like to say what actually technical structure looking at in the Nifty Bank. If you look at the broader picture, I think immediate trend, what we can say technically, I think both the Nifty and Nifty Bank has showing higher top higher bottom formation, which is clearly a technical setup. And I think we have been already witnessed some kind of profit booking from the higher end. So I think the structure, it is still not clear in short term, but yes, overall structure is still bullish until and unless I'll make this specific level in Nifty. 10,200 will be very crucial level. Once we see any breakdown below that level, then only we may see a trend reversal sign. Otherwise the trend is intact, trend is immediate trend is up. So until and unless we trading about 10,200, we are in a short term uptrend, and once we see any decisive breakdown or decisive close below 10,200, then only we may see some kind of reversal in Nifty. And on the Nifty Bank, I think the reversal zone is 21,000. We are very close to that level. So I think 21,000, once we see any breakdown or any close below 21,000, then only we may see trend reversal in Nifty Bank. Otherwise we are good to go. So I think if anyone has the position, specific long position in Nifty Bank specifically, they can have the closing basis stop loss of 21,000. I think we may see some bounce in today's or tomorrow's session in Nifty Banks particularly. So I think Nifty Bank, we are trading near a good support zone of 21,000. So if anyone has the position, they can definitely keep their stop losses at 21,000 closing basis. Any breakdown below 21,000 we can change the trend to down again. Okay, so this is the crucial level in the Bank Nifty. And Nifty Bank already mentioned, but it is far below. So I think 10,500 10,400 will be the support. So let's look for the pivot level first in the Nifty. Nifty, it has a very good support somewhere around 10,500 10,400 zone. So immediate basis 10,500 10,400 will be the supports, but it has a substantial resistance, stiff resistance, what we can say on the higher side. It placed at 10,700 10,800. So resistance are shifted to 10,700 10,800, and I would again I would rather recommend that do profit booking around this level rather than creating fresh longs. So 10,700 10,800 will be again the profit booking levels. Don't try to make fresh longs around this level. Fresh longs only we will see above 11,000, aggressive longs, what we can say. But I think the structure, overall structure is quite bullish, but the immediate basis, the intraday specifically levels, I am suggesting that one should try to avoid a long as such around these levels. But yes, 10,700 10,800 will be the level one should look for the profit booking. Now let's move to the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, again 21,000, like I said, will be a make or break level for Nifty Bank. So if anyone has the position in the Nifty Bank long side, they can definitely keep long position with keeping stop loss below 21,000. and we may see a good bounce if it managed to hold about 21,000, and then we may see again it has a resistance somewhere around 21,700, 21,900, and once we see breakout about 21,900, then we may see a good recovery in Nifty Bank. So I think Nifty Bank has pretty clear support somewhere around 21,000. So longs can be hold with the keeping same stop loss. On the higher side, it has a good resistance somewhere around 21,700 and 21,900. Now let's talk about some OI observation for the current expiry the day after tomorrow, that 16 July I'm talking about tomorrow's expiry first of all. Now let's look at, if you look at the the option data, we have been witnessed that substantial writing is going on in 10,700 call. So if you look at the 10,700 call, there are somewhere around 24 lakh shares are added today. So I think a substantial writing is witnessed on the 10,700 call and even 10,800 call. So the strong hurdle on the higher side will be again at 10,700, 10,800 on the option front as well as on the technical front. So that's why I said that one should always at least look for profit booking around this level. 10,700, 10,800 will be the level one should look for to book the profit to exit the longs, or they can even create the fresh shorts with keeping somewhere around stop loss about 10,800 will be your final stop loss for the shorts. Now on the downside, I think the data suggests that 10,500 will act as a good support, which has the good OI based at 10,500 put. So immediate support on the 10,000 put side will be 10,500 followed by 10,400. So the range will be the narrow one, what we can say 10,400, 10,800, what we can see in the coming week going forward. So I think in nutshell, both the technical and derivative data suggests that 10,700, 10,800 will be stiff resistance on the Nifty. If anyone wants to make fresh shorts, they can make fresh shorts somewhere around 10,700, 10,750 with keeping overall stop loss about 10,800. That would be very strict stop loss. And on the downside, it has good support somewhere around 10,500, 10,400 zone. So one should look for buying opportunity as well. But the stance is not that bullish. Positionally it is bullish, but for intraday basis it is not that bullish. Okay. And then if you look at the Nifty Bank, Nifty Bank I already explained the level that 21,000 will be very crucial level. It is a make or break level. Once we see any decisive close below 21,000, then we may see a good fall in Nifty Bank. So longs can be hold with keeping strict stop loss at 21,000, and on the higher side 21,720 1,900 will be a good hurdle on the higher side. So this is all about the Nifty and Nifty Bank, and to give view on this to give update on this trade that we have came out with the Equitas, but unfortunately we got a stop out in today's crunch. So I think spade is done for the week. We already had the stop loss in Equitas. So Nifty and Nifty Bank, it was a clear view that one should Nifty Bank specifically I am not though much bullish, but yes, it can be longs can be hold with 21,000 stop loss, and Nifty I am having some the contra view, what we can say. So I prefer to go short somewhere around 10,700, 10,800 for clearly trading perspective, and 10,200 will be the make or break level in Nifty specifically, and it will be a trend changing level. So in Nifty Bank 21,000 and in Nifty 10,200 will be the level. So this is all about Nifty and Nifty Bank. Stay tuned. I will put my group a link down the video. You can join us on Telegram. We share their charts and the what we like on the index or the particular stock. So do join the group and stay tuned. Thank you so much for patiently. Thank you.